My name is Adam Voor, and this is my 3D printed tourniquet project. I worked on this project with me, myself, and of course the folks at the AVC Printing Lab. I wanted to make a tourniquet made of 3D printed plastic to be easily available, cheap, easy to use, easy to clean, and to potentially save lives. Tourniquets are used to stop blood flow through blood vessels by compression with a band. This can minimize blood loss during traumatic bleeding, maintain a relatively bloodless operative field during surgery, or allow visualization of blood vessels for phlebotomists during blood donation. I based the design from a hose clamp for car tubing, which uses a band with a screw thread pattern and a captive screw on the band that functions as a worm gear. As the screw is turned, it acts as a worm drive, fitting into the threads on the band and pulling them along to tighten the band. The clamp would not need continuous pressure since worm drives only turn by force on the screw and not the wheel. It can also be easily adjusted in small measurements by turning the screw. Typical cloth tourniquets weigh 2.4 ounces, while this tourniquet weighs less, being made of lightweight plastic. Cloth tourniquets also cost over $25, while anyone, like yours truly, can print out a plastic tourniquet for less than $10. Cloth tourniquets can require two hands to apply, tighten, and secure, while the plastic clamp tourniquet could be tightened with one hand and does not need to be secured. The plastic tourniquet is also easier to clean than cloth tourniquets as it doesn't absorb liquids. The stress-strain curve of plastics in general is highly variable, and this tourniquet allows the mostly elastic plastic to be continually tightened but still not break. A 3D printer makes two pieces as the band and the screw. The screw is inserted into a housing on the band and rotates independently of the band. I did not have any programming experience or coding knowledge or 3D printing experience, but I was able to put this design together using Autodesk Fusion 360 in the Digital Media Commons in the library on the USF campus. This is an example of using the tourniquet with just one hand. As you can see, you can turn the gear with just one hand and it'll tighten along the worm gear and tighten the band.